Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great today. My name is May and welcome to my channel. If you need a motivation to clean your space today, consider this your sign to just do it. But first, dinner. In this video, I'm trying to be more comfortable speaking, so I decided to try voiceover. I had some hiccup along the way, and the technologically challenged person that I am is still trying to learn how to film. This is the reason why it took me some time to edit this video. It's getting really warmer now in Melbourne, so I'm feeding the plants more often this past few days. I have to do a midweek reset because I wasn't able to clean last weekend. I had to attend an engagement party, so I had to spend the weekend at Christian's. I'm starting the housekeeping with these books I got from my sister. I needed to find a bookshelf for them, but for the meantime, I think this TV unit is good enough to be their home. Some of these books are originally mine, like these coffee table books. I love the collection of nice photos of Lope-style houses, Scandi interiors, and of course, different kind of indoor plants. We also have a lot of personal development books. My personal favorites are 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey, The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg, and Atomic Habits by James Clear. If you're looking for your next new read, I highly recommend these 2 books. It's that time of the year again to reflect on the past year and to set new goals and habits. And if just in case in your reflection of the past year you found out that you didn't really achieve anything in 2024, if you need to hear this, it's okay if the only thing you did this year was just to get through it. This plant is doing really well in water. I don't put any plant food in it, so I'm a little scared it will die. My friend who gave me this recommended to put sugar in the water, but the water gets really smelly if I forget to change it, so I just decided to use water. This monstera plant is thriving just like the money plant. I even have to cut some roots so it doesn't grow too much. I have these plants in water for years and I love how low maintenance they turned out. So if you like to have plants in your house but you don't want to worry of killing them, you should try monstera or money planting. The house gets really dusty fast, so I have to regularly sweep the floor or vacuum it. And if I'm sitting on the couch, the natural light coming in seems to highlight all this dust and it really bothers me. This spin mop is my best purchase for the house this year. I'm happy that I don't have to do manual wringing of the mop. On my next upgrade, I'm gonna buy a steam mop. Finally, rest. Thanks everyone for joining me today. I wish you all the best this 2025 and I hope to see you all in the next vlog. Bye for now!